Hi friends, this video shows how to allow only U-rated universal movies in kids profile. So right now I am inside the kids profile kid 1. Let me go to settings, select settings icon from top left corner. Enter Google PIN because this profile is locked. So now you are seeing profile settings, kids profile settings. Go down, select content restrictions, and here select movies, and here you can see the ratings. If you want to allow only U-rated universal movies in this profile, from this list you can select U and save it. Go back, see here you can see the rating limit U. Okay, so this way we can apply these restrictions. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.